and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is very special because that's the turkey recipe. So let's get started. So firstly, I have this halal turkey. Its weight is about 10 to 12 pounds, and let's open and I'm gonna wash it. And this turkey I just leave it in my refrigerator for 2 days. So since I bought it, I did not put in the freezer. I just straightly put in the refrigerator. I'm gonna add 6 tablespoons of salt, half cup of sugar, 1 onion, and 20 cloves of garlic chopped. And that's the warm water, so I took the warm water so my salt can be dissolved and sugar will be dissolved. 1 tablespoon black peppercorn. I have bay leaves, 3 of them, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 teaspoon of cloves. So it's cloves, cinnamon, and bay leaves and black peppercorn. I have 3 lemon slices, 2 cups of apple cider juice, now I have a fresh rosemary. The smell is so good, and fresh thyme. It smells so good, and I'm gonna brine my turkey up to 16 to 24 hours, so I'll see you after 24 hours. I'm gonna take 2 butter sticks. You can take up to like 1.5 to 2 butter sticks. Those are the room temperature. And now I'm gonna put some spices in. So here are some spices. 1 teaspoon I have garlic powder. Here I have onion powder, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon I have white pepper powder and black pepper, and 1 teaspoon paprika, and half teaspoon salt. Since I brine it in the salt and sugar water, so I just use a less salt, and also my butter is salted. So it's ready. And before that, I have more spices. It's black pepper, half teaspoon, thyme, half teaspoon, and a pinch of salt. I'm gonna mix everything together, and I'm gonna put inside under the turkey cavity to give more flavor. With the back of the spoon, I'm gonna try to do some space for the butter, because that's the turkey's dry part, the breast. So I need to make sure I butter it really good. So I'm gonna do it here. Now I have this butter, so I'm gonna slightly put it inside to make very juicy turkey. I'm gonna slide it like this, look. Inside here. So I'm gonna slide this butter up to the top. There is a butter inside. And from this one, let me show you. So there is the butter in, look. Inside. This is going on the top. My hands are washed. It's a really hard time to do it with my gloves, so I'm gonna do it like this. माशाल्लाह से ये टर्की जो है बहुत ही मज़ेदार सी रेडी हो गई है। और ये पॉपअप थर्मामीटर भी निकाल Okay guys, see you next time. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and I'll see you next time. Allah Hafiz.